If you've ever felt your living room was missing a focal point, your brick fireplace might be the secret hero waiting for a glow-up. Today on Decor Like Dream, we're talking brick fireplace ideas that instantly elevate a room. Whether your style is cozy farmhouse, modern chic, or something in between, we'll cover color, texture, and styling choices you can adapt to any home, plus clever budget tweaks that make a big difference. Let's start with the most transformative idea: lime wash or whitewash. Softening brick with a breathable, lived-in finish keeps the character but tones down heavy reds or oranges. Pair that lighter brick with warm neutrals. Think oatmeal, sand, and creamy whites for a calm, inviting palette. Add contrast through black metal accents or dark wood beams to keep it from feeling flat. This is perfect if you want seasonal decor to stand out without competing with the fireplace itself. Maybe you love the traditional brick color and don't want to paint it. In that case, lean into earthy, collected styling. Build your palette around terracotta, rust, olive, and warm wood tones to echo the brick. A chunky mantel in reclaimed wood adds rustic charm and gives you a place for art, candles, or layered decor. Keep furniture fabrics textured, linen, boucle, or woven cotton, so the fireplace feels integrated instead of overpowering the room. For smaller spaces or rooms that don't get much light, the goal is to make the fireplace feel lighter and taller. Choose a mantel and surround in a tone close to the walls so the brick becomes an accent, not a block. Style vertically with tall branches, slender candlesticks, or a portrait-style frame to draw the eye upward. Pair with slimline furniture and leggy side tables to free up visual space while still honoring the fireplace as the anchor. Seasonal decorating around a brick fireplace is where you can have fun without spending much. Keep a core setup, like a mirror, 2 candle stands and a bowl, then swap in garlands, greenery, or seasonal stems as the months change. Because brick naturally reads warm, balance it with cooler accessories in summer, pale blues, soft greens, or light ceramics. In colder months, double down on coziness with knitted textures, brass accents, and deeper colors that echo the hearth energy.